The three Google add-ons that I decided to add on were Easy Clip Art, Translate Plus, and Word Cloud Generator. The reason I chose Easy Clip Art was so that I could take some text and add pictures for my ESOL students and for my special ed students and for my students who may lack the use of academic language. Having pictures, clip art pictures into Word documents really helps. Not only does it help with my below level learners, but it also helps to just break up all of the words for any kind of student. So for this document, I have the 5 kinds of vertebrates. So I'm adding pictures of fish, mammals, amphibians, reptiles to add along the way and insert into my document. Another add-on that I've used a lot this year is Translate Plus. Translate Plus, I have a couple newcomer students in my classroom, and with Translate Plus, I'm able to highlight the text that I would like to translate, select what it is, so in this case English, and I want to translate it into Spanish. I also have a student whose home language is Swahili, and so it does that one as well. But in this case, I want to translate into Spanish, and I go ahead and press translate on the text that I have highlighted. Now I can copy and insert this back into the document, or I can send this straight to my students who speak Spanish, and that translation is there for them. The last add-on tool I loved and wanted to share is Word Cloud Generator. This is another tool that is really good for my ESOL students because I can highlight the text and a word cloud will be generated from the text. Now I can use this to make sure that I front load this vocabulary to those students before starting a lesson. Also, this can be copied and pasted into another document. This would be a good visual to add to any of our academic work. Another way is to have the students use these vocabulary terms in their writing about this subject. So those are the 3 add-on tools that I chose for Google, and those tools once again were Easy Clip Art, Translate Plus, and Word Cloud Generator. Thank you.